Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you how to send processing sketches to MadMapper for projection mapping. So first off, in processing, which is where we're going to start, you want to import the Syphon library. And if you don't have that library, you want to go to Sketch, Import Library, Add Library, and then search Syphon, add that, and then I think in the newer one you can just go ahead and start using it. But just to be safe, you can close processing and open it back up. Once you've done that, then you'll want to import the Syphon library. That's just a matter of going Sketch, Import Library, and then Syphon, and that'll pop this up. Then you'll want to manually put in and create a canvas. The canvas is kind of like this secondary window that MadMapper can read, or what Syphon can read. And then the Syphon server, you have to set up the server so Syphon actually exists and is ready to be read by MadMapper. Once you have that setup done, then you can go into the setup part of the sketch where you have to have the size defined, and you want to make sure that it's P3D, and you want to then also create the canvas, which is the secondary window, and give it the same dimensions. Once you do that, then you'll also want to establish the server, the Syphon server, and so just copying this and then this this might be a little bit more variable, but it's worth it just to go ahead and copy it. And after that, then you have it all set up. Then you can get into the actual processing sketch where you'll do draw, but you'll want to precurse everything all your code with canvas dot, and that's going to be sending it to the additional canvas that you created. So as you can see, all of this, it does have canvas, and then at the end, when you are finally done with all this, then and you've done, oh, I think this is an additional thing, and I guess I said it in my code here. So you have to start it all off with canvas, begin draw, and then at the end of all your stuff you say end draw, and then to sort of give it its final stamp of approval, you say the image, canvas, 0, 0, and yeah, so it'll just draw the sketch, draw to the sketch instead of just the canvas. And then you say the server end canvas, or send the image. So this frame is done, go ahead and get ready to start over and send the next frame. And just to show you that it's working, we can go over here to MadMapper. We can see that nothing is coming through Syphon. We'll go ahead and push play. Okay, there we go. So you can see in MadMapper that Syphon is now reading the sketch, and if we click on that as the source, then we can go into that. We can bring up the Java page, and you can see that the window that my mouse cursor is on is that image, the original window for processing, and that the secondary canvas window is coming up in MadMapper. And then from there you just go ahead and create another surface, and that's your source surface. Go back to processing, and everything's dandy. So hope that was helpful, and I'll see you later.